Welcome to Peppy Pillars. Bubbly brains, lively leaps.
Hello, bubbly brains. Let's continue our addition adventure. Look carefully. What is 4 plus 3? Don't you think something is missing? That's right. This time, we are not adding by counting objects. Today, we are going to use a super fun helper called a 10 frame. It makes addition easy and fun. Let's see how it works. What is a 10 frame? A 10 frame looks like this. It has 10 little boxes. There are 5 boxes on the top and 5 boxes on the bottom. When all the boxes are full, it shows 10. A 10 frame helps us see numbers quickly. Now, let's use it to add. Let's solve our first addition problem. We need to add 4 and 3. First, let's put 4 blue dots into the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's add 3 red dots. 1, 2, 3. Look! The top row is full. A full top row means 5. So we don't have to start counting from 1 again? Let's start with 5, 6, 7. There are 7 dots altogether. 4 plus 3 equals 7. That was super easy, right? Let's try another one. This time, we need to add 5 and 3. We already know that 5 dots fill the top row. So let's fill the whole top row with blue dots. Now, let's add 3 more green dots. Let's count. What comes after 5? 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Good job, bubbly brains. Let's try one more. What is 6 plus 3? Let's use our 10 frame. Watch carefully. The top row is full. That's 5. And there's 1 more dot. So we have 6. Now, let's add 3 more dots. 7, 8, 9. The answer is 9. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Now it's your turn. What is 4 plus 4? Use the 10 frame to find the answer. Let me help you. Now I think you can count them easily. Can you tell me the answer? Take your time. I'll give you a few seconds. Ready? The answer is 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Let's try one more. What is 5 plus 2? Look carefully at the 10 frame. Can you tell me the answer? Take your time. I'll give you a few seconds. I think you got it. The answer is 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Did you get it right? If not, that's okay. We'll try again. Remember, the more you practice, the better you get. Let's try this one. What is 4 plus 5? The 10 frame is already filled to help you. Can you find the answer? Take your time. Let's check. The answer is 9. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Let's play a new game. Look, we already have 6 dots. How many more dots do we need to fill the 10 frame? Can you guess? That's right, 4 more. Now look. All the boxes are full. Do you remember what I told you at the beginning? When all the boxes are full, it shows 10. So, 6 plus 4 equals 10. Let's solve another one. Look, we already have 3 dots. How many more dots do we need to make 8? Can you figure it out? I'll give you a few seconds. Let's check. We need 5 more dots. Now we have 8 dots. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Good job, Bubbly Brains. Let's try something different. Look carefully at the 10 frame. Can you tell me the addition problem by counting the dots? I'll give you a few seconds. Let's check if you got it right. First, let's count the blue dots together. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 blue dots. Now, let's count the green dots together. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 green dots. So, our addition problem is 4 plus 3 equals 7. Let's try this one. Look carefully at the 10 frame. Can you tell me which numbers you see? This time, don't count one by one. Just look and say the answer. Here's a little hint. The top row is already full. I'll give you a few seconds. Go ahead. Done? Let's check. I can see 5 yellow dots and 4 red dots. Altogether, there are 9 dots. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. Did you get it right? If not, that's okay. Try again. You can do it. That's all for today. Keep practicing with your 10 frame. Next time, we'll learn to add even bigger numbers. If you missed part 1 or part 2 of our addition practice series, be sure to watch them. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 frogs. So, 3 plus 2 equals 5. And 4 strawberries on the other side. What is 5 plus 4? Can you tell me the answer? Use our faster way to count. I'll give you a few seconds. You'll find the links in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Come bounce with us, one peppy step at a time. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.